respected Sri S. Chandra-Kumar, the chairman of the ESSK group of institutions, Dr. S. Akhila, the principal, Dr. Kalaimadi, the dean of research, Dr. Satya Savitri, who invited me for the conference, and also Dr. Muthuvel is my friend before, and I am very happy to be here. I am very happy to see a lot of people in front of me, especially from different backgrounds like physics, chemistry, and mathematics. It's actually the true interdisciplinarity. It's actually the beauty of the conference. And especially the topic of the conference is recent trends in technology and computing, one of the most important topic of the period. That normally especially in India, people consider the subjects as such. For example, mathematics, they do their research, they do their teaching. Physics people do their research and they do their teaching. And chemistry people do their research and their teaching, and biology also do their research and their teaching. There is no integrated approach actually. As per the new NEP plan, new National Education Policy, they give stress for interdisciplinarity and also for transdisciplinarity. So there is no element of competition here, but there is always space for collaboration. Only with collaboration we can grow together. So I urge all the students not to confine on your subjects, but to reach other subjects also, and to try to get maximum from the other subjects also, and to flourish together. And that's why the UN Sustainability Development Goals, UN have set up some goals for the sustainable life in the planet. So that's how we can reach the Sustainable Development Goals. Also, I would like to talk to the women of this college. I understand that it's a women's college, and we have got participants from men participants also here. But I would like to point you that in the 2023 Nobel Prize announcements that we had in the last week, there are 4 women. One is actually Catherine Karikó from Hungary. She's a natural citizen of USA who was awarded Nobel Prize in Medicine. Then we had last day Claudia Goldin, who was a professor of economics, and he got Nobel Prize in economics. And you can see that her topic, research topic, is very interesting. Her research topic was on why women are given less salary than men. I think all you women students here should read her papers and understand the social factors and the economic factors regarding this, and try to oppose that feeling and to be in par with the men. And third one is Annie Hitler, who got Nobel Prize in Physics, and Nargis Mohammed for Nobel Prize in Peace. Unlike other years, this year we had a lot of Nobel Prize winners from the women background. And the first Nobel Prize winner I told, Catherine Karikó. She was a Hungarian biologist. She was a postdoctoral fellow at Hungary, and when the university had got some financial crunch, they terminated her job. So she and her husband and her small child got invitation from USA, and they went to that university, and she started to working there in mRNA. After 3 years, she got another job. That time, her former professor, former boss, he didn't want her to leave the institute, so he informed the immigration police, and they arrested him, and she also lost that job offer. Later, she struggled a lot to get a new job. She reached being a professor, research assistant professor at University of Pennsylvania, one of the research university in USA. There also, she was not given any funds. She struggled a lot to get funds. And she remained there as assistant professor for around 15 to 20 years. Later, she was forced to exit from the university, resign from the university, because she was not able to generate any funds. In foreign universities, they measure the quality of a professor by measuring the amount they generated as research funds and by research papers. She was forced to resign because she was not able to generate any funds, because that time DNA techniques actually people are focused on DNA techniques, not on RNA. But she said that in exit meeting, she said, you will once regret this decision. And she said that mRNA is going to be very important. And she tried to concentrate more on mRNA. And later, she joined a company. And that company, in collaboration with the Pfizer, developed the first vaccine for COVID-19. She was awarded Nobel Prize for her research in mRNA and mRNA techniques and vaccines. You can see that a woman, she struggled a lot, and later she got Nobel Prize. So I just want to make you sure that you also have some perseverance. Likewise, as the president of the meeting told, Kerala also is witnessing some decline in the number of students coming for basic science courses. But you know that in this world, the importance of basic science is very increasing. Last year, a company called Soha, that's a software company, came to your college. They said that they want good BSc Physics, BSc Mathematics and BSc Chemistry students, first year students, such that they will train them to be a better coding experts. They don't want MCA, they don't want BTech, they don't want MSc Computer Science people. They want only basic science people, because they know that they can only solve problems, because their teaching pedagogy and teaching and research aptitude is based on problem solving. So don't feel that you are inferior to anybody. I think you are the most strongest foundation that you are building. I see that in the future, I hope that I can find very good people, valuable scientists, good entrepreneurs, good teachers coming out of this community. With this, I remain. Thank you very much. And also, I am very, very thankful for inviting me to the conference.
உலகத்தரமான கல்லூரி உங்கள் ஊரில் தெய்வானை அம்மாள் காலேஜ் ஃபார் விமன் அட்டானமஸ் விழுப்புரம். உங்கள் எதிர்காலம் உங்கள் கையில்.